Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can log in on Reasons Bank. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Reasons Bank. Then click on the first link appeared on your screen, which will lead you to its website. Then click on Online Banking Login and proceed to Online Banking Login. Here you will see one box asking for your username. Make sure to enter your correct username and click on Remember my username and continue. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on Forget username and you can recover it. After clicking on Continue, you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly too, and if you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password and you can recover it. By entering both username and password correctly, you can log into your account. So this is how you log into Reasons Bank account. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.